Hey guys, welcome to another video here at Geeksla. So today we'll be looking at top 5 best apps to watch any movies for free. So none of these apps are available at Google Play Store, so the download link will be in the description below. These are some really awesome apps, and from now on no need to visit any movie website to watch any movies. So you can directly do that from these apps. So here are our top 5 picks of best apps for watching movies for free. First app that we will be seeing today is Terrarium TV. So Terrarium TV is quite simple app. So as you can see on opening the app, first look you get is of all the latest uploads, latest series and movies that you can get. You can also, as you scroll down, you can see all the movies, and there is a drop down over here. So when you click on this, you get it shows you new shows recently uploaded, and even Netflix list. Netflix originals videos are available over here. Amazon Prime videos are available. Hulu is available, and even YouTube Red. So when you click on Netflix, as you can see, it gives all the Netflix original videos and series that you have. So you can favorite. It also have the option of favoriting and even selecting from movies and TV shows. Any of which you can do, and you can even you can download the series, and you will see them over here in the downloads. So the next app that we'll be looking is Mobdraw. So Mobdraw is not like the similar app that we have seen in this list. So in Mobdraw there are live feeds that you can get. You have the if you love sports, or if you love any news channel and you want to watch live, then this app is for you. So as you can see when I click on sports, so it gives me the list of all the channels that are running, and it will show you live feeds from that channel live over here. So it is not a mainstream app where you can find latest movies, but there are sections where you can see there are running constantly running movies and documentaries and other stuff. So you can explore yourself and hop into this app and explore for yourself what you like and what you don't like about this app, and check out if this app is for you. So but if basically if you are into live feeds and watching TV, then this app is for you. So the next app that we will be having a look is OneBoxSD. So OneBoxSD is another similar app where you can get the latest movies from over here, and you can see it also gives you a list of TV shows you can watch from. The UI is quite old, I guess, because it's not really updated to the new standards, new designs, but the app gets its job done. So when you click on any, you can see the latest movie are updated over here. So when you click, it gives a little information. Yeah, the one thing it is, these are constantly running ads, so you might find it difficult many of the time to get through these apps because they offer this service for free. So you need to get through these apps, through these ads that constantly pop up. But as you can see, it has all the latest movies. So uh, it even has genres to choose from. You can choose any of them, and when you click on them, those movies, it will filter those movies according to your choices. So the next tab in the list is Showbox. So Showbox is quite famous. You might have heard this app from any of your friends or colleagues, where they might have told you that this is the app if you want to watch free movies. So when you click on movies, so it gives you all the list of movies, the latest movies that have been uploaded to this app. Sometimes this app mostly lags behind the other one, but the quality of movies is really good in this app. So you can check it for yourself. As you can see, there are latest uploads, and even the latest movies are available on this app. You also get TV shows, news, and trending objects in this app. So if you are a big fan of movies and TV shows with the latest one, and if you are trying to find the latest one, then this app for is definitely for you. So, so the last app that we will be looking into our top five movies app list is Popcorn Time. So, Popcorn Time is another app that you can see has the latest movies available, and the UI is quite awesome. I really like the UI. It has been, you can see it has quality setups and standards generate popularity. You can select from those, and these apps are, and you have even have download options, and you can use VPN also. So if you are from places where the government has where the this app has been blocked, you can use the VPN and access the content. So even this app is not up to, the movies are not up to the date, but you can see they have been maintaining a pretty good standard of giving good quality movies over here. And you also have TV shows also available to watch from. So this is also a very good pick, and I really like the UI of this app. So it gives a very good look of how the app should be, and very easy look, I would say, for a movies app.
That's it, guys, with this video. We have more apps to add to the list of apps to watch movies for free. If you want another video on more apps like this, then leave a comment below and hit like if you like this video and subscribe for more awesome content.